Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Well, today's video is a review on a folding knife I bought last month. And I tested it last week when I was on a fishing trip with my friend. And I also used it when I was on a short camping trip with my family this week. So, it is not the most expensive knife, or, well, it's a low-cost knife, but anyway, it is, if you can see, Xtreme Nature camo. So here it is, a nice little folder, and you have a pocket clip on the other side, and you can open it with one hand, and it's a liner lock. I'm not a big fan, really, of liner locks, but I can do an exception on this one. So, you got it. This is a decent knife. I don't know how many millimeters the thickness is on this blade, but maybe 3 millimeters, I guess. So, and I want to point out this is really good for your thumb, okay? So you get more control that way. And I like this blade type because this is a drop point blade. I don't know what kind of steel this is, but it's stainless steel, and it's basically a full tang. And I like the camo, except for this orange. I would like to have that in the same color as that, but you can't get everything. So, but anyway, this is surprisingly sharp. I made fire, and I would do some feather sticks with this. Oh boy, it cuts really good. So I'm happy actually with this knife, and this one cost me 129 crowns. So I guess about $10. And this knife has some weight in it. It feels heavy when the blade is folded in. It has some weight. I like to have knives who has some weight, and it feels almost a little bit lighter when the blade is out. And this nice little pocket clip, this is actually nice and tight. It fits really nice and tight. This don't come off that easy. So overall, I'm happy with this knife for that price. Okay, for that price, 129 crowns. It is a good knife. I never thought a knife that cost that has cost that much as 129 crowns. I never thought it could be that sharp as this one is. I never trust a knife that costs 129 or 110 crowns because I bought some many years ago and these were really bad. That it didn't even come close to the sharpness of this one. So I'm happy with this. A decent knife for the price. And this one will go with me when I'm going on a fishing trip, hike, camping trip. Because I can't wear a knife like this in public or on me. So, because of the law. So, the police would question probably why I would have this knife on me in public. Because this is not a knife. Well, what am I gonna use it if I wear this in public? Actually, that would be hard to explain. But anyway, so this stays home and stays on my desk, on my bureau or something, or on my haversack. So, well, it's a good knife overall, and if I would rank this one, well, I would give it at least, for the price, well, and I give this one an 8 from 1 to 10. So guys, I have to jump off now. And remember, stay safe and keep repairing and stay prepared. The times are pretty rough these days. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? And I'm really sorry that I haven't uploaded any videos for a time. I have been quite busy. And I didn't have any energy to create any videos. So, because my work has drained me on all the energy. So, that sucks. But, well, work comes first. And now I'm having vacation, so I thought that, well, I put up a video. Anyway, take care, stay safe, and be prepared. ShadowScoutSwede, out.